Olkiluoto in Eurajoki has been selected as the final disposal site for spent nuclear fuel generated in Finland. Prior to construction of the final disposal repository, the suitability of the Olkiluoto bedrock for the purpose is being clarified through the construction of an underground research and characterization facility, Onkalo. Excavation of the tunnel was initiated by first drilling a pilot hole. By studying the drilled core samples, it was possible to see in advance which kind of rock the tunnel is being dug into. The tunnel is being excavated by the drill blast method. When the tunnel has completed a full circle and proceeded 1 kilometer to a depth of 100 meters, what follows next is the drilling of the ventilation shaft. The shaft will be built by use of the raise boring technique. By slowly pulling and simultaneously spinning the cutting edge, a round vertical shaft 3 meters in diameter is obtained. A depth of 420 meters should be achieved by the end of the year 2008. After this, the main research tunnel will be completed and excavation will be continued to the point of the lower research level, 100 meters deeper. During excavation of the tunnel, the studies on the rock surrounding the final disposal repository will be started by drilling and taking samples of the groundwater. When the excavation for the Onkalo facility has been fully completed, the ventilation shaft will be expanded to its final diameter of approximately 6 meters. A passenger lift will be installed in the shaft as well as Onkalo's final ventilation and other required technology. Drilling will also be carried out from the research tunnel into the area of the final disposal repository. One of the most important tasks is to clarify the chemical composition and characteristics of the groundwater, in addition to potential rock cleavage. After the completion of the facility as a whole, the investigations related to final disposal engineering, as well as full-scale testing of the final disposal canister, will be initiated in the research area. The placement of the canister will be studied by 2 different methods, vertical and horizontal. Through the research data gained from Onkalo, the applicability of the location for final disposal of spent nuclear fuel will be assured. On the basis of the information acquired, it will be possible to apply for a construction license from the Finnish Council of State in 2012. After this, the construction of the final disposal facilities will begin, so that there will be the readiness in 2020 to initiate final disposal. The final disposal facilities will be sealed during the 22nd century, after all spent nuclear fuel produced in Finland has been safely disposed in the Olkiluoto bedrock.